Catamiles coming at you. Got a pair of cement 4s. Gonna do a few touch-ups on these and a deep clean. See the scuffs. Possibly some unyellowing on the sole. They're not that bad. Just a few spots that the customer wanted me to fix. Unyellow that sole as well. On the inside, we got a little spot right here. The other side, inside, spots on the back. As you see, the sole is a little yellow. So get that right as well. To the other side, just a little dirt right there. Midsole cracking, but that's not what they asked me to do. Yellow on the sole, a little dirt. Yeah, so gonna touch up on these few spots, unyellow the sole, clean the leather up for them, and I'll be back with the finished product. Nothing major. Back, finished product. Nothing major with these cement 4s. I just had to do a few touch-up spots where it had some scuffs. You can't really see it, of course, because I always do a good job. I work my magic. And I also unyellowed the toe box as well, which was pretty yellow. Remove the scuffs right here. And like I said, you can't see it because it's well covered up. Just go around the shoe. I can't even see the spots that I've done, but I'll find them. We got one right here. I don't know if you can see it. Fix the scuffs right there, right here. Paint chipping from being rough with the shoes. Scuff where it dig in. We got one right here. We got one right there. Again, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but if you watched the video from the front, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Cement 4s, minor touch-ups, few touch-ups. Again, covered up some bad scuffs, and I unyellowed the toe box. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.